Welcome to the money manifestation chapter. In this module, you're manifesting desires, and I welcome you to this chapter. This is the most important chapter, and everybody should learn this because then it makes a life a lot easier because you can clearly manifest money as a lot of people are doing, including me. But the prerequisite is that you have gone through the previous two chapters so that you understand the concepts properly, because I don't want you to go through this and not being able to apply it. Then you will not get the results, and I don't want you to do that. So please go through the previous chapters and then start watching it. So go there if you have not already done, and then come here. All right, then. So get ready to manifest money and change your life. This is very important because manifestation is all about deep work. So pay attention, take notes if needed, because I'm going to give you clear 7 steps that you can follow and manifest money. And please do write in the comments below that, yes, I'm ready to manifest money. And I'm going to read it and send you a lot of best vibes so that you can manifest money. All right, so just comment below and let's start. Let's start with the steps. Step number 1 is belief. Now, this is the most important step because a lot of us are not able to manifest because we don't really believe internally. So have this self-talk with yourself that, do you believe that you can manifest a lot of money? Do you believe that there is ample abundance available in the universe? And nobody can ever have shortage if we are properly connected, tuned it to the frequency of abundance. So you need to really believe in it and identify your blocks. Like if you feel that, making rich is bad, it's something evil, because a lot of us are conditioned to believe that money is the root cause of all problems. That's not true. You really have to change your relationship with money, because if you're a good person and you get money, then you'll do more good things. All right. So this is number 1. Then step 2 is goal setting. You have to set a clear and specific goal, the how much money you need and by when, and create it in a goal card. And keep it at a place where you can see it every day. This is important to have it defined and write it properly. All right. So this is step 2. So you're going to do that, and you can create a goal card and click a picture of yourself with it and post it below. And I'll be really happy to see it. And it would be wonderful and inspire each other so that everybody is manifesting money. It's just a very nice energy exchange as well. Now, step number 3 after this is doing the manifestation techniques. Now, there are a lot of techniques available, like you can visualize, you can do affirmations, and affirmations are, of course, important. But what I suggest for money manifestation, and which works all the times for a lot of mentees also, is writing. So for money, it's important that you write. Like, let's say you're manifesting 1 lakh rupees. So you write, you are manifesting 1 lakh rupee by next month end or this month end. And now you break it down where all you're going to use this 1 lakh rupee. Specifically, each and every item should be written so that you feel that sensation in your heart. Because, for universe, you're universe child, right? And universe doesn't care about money. It just wants to know that, what it'll do to you, how it'll make you happy. So when you're writing each item and you imagining and visualizing it, you feel that sensation in your heart and feel that happiness already, so that you tune into that frequency of what you want to do. And also, this is very important to do because, it removes the greed. We are not greedy for money, like that you're going to get money and then you're going to, hide it in a trunk and then keep it safe or hoard it. No, we're not doing that. And we have to be really detached from money. We have to just focus on what you're going to do with money, the purpose of it, right? So that's why it's important to write, because it also helps you release the greed and attachment with money, because whatever money comes, it's going to go here, even if it's saving, investment. So you write it, so it's going there. So you're not really, after money, but you have to solve these purposes. So just write specific about every item that you need. All right, the next step 4 is gratitude. Gratitude and your root chakra should be strong. So the thing is that you have to be really grateful for all the small money that you have in your life. Because unless you be grateful about it, you won't be able to manifest more of it. Even the small things that you're able to do with money, small money you have, so be grateful about it, that I was able to do this, I was able to do that, I was able to buy this, I was able to go there, I was able to spend on my child's education or my education, whatever. Just write small things that you're grateful about. It also strengthens your sense of security, and your root chakra gets better. The energy gets balanced over there. And the other thing you can do, it include some physical workout so that you have the energy also, to direct over there. So this is very important step. Now, step 5 is vibe high. Now, if you have gone through the previous chapters, then you would know what I mean by vibing high. And please follow it and do it, because it's important that you keep vibing high so that you manifest money. So we have covered how you tune in to the frequency of money that you need. And then vibing high is very important. Now, step number 6 is taking inspired actions, right? So if there is something that you have to do, so you write that what all you can do to get this kind of money. Write it down every day, write 5 to 6 goals and take inspired action. So whatever you need to do, and you will be guided. You would be amazed at the kind of intuition flows from the universe once your energies are aligned and you're vibing high. You will take guided actions, and any hurdle, conflict has to be read in favor of your manifestation happening. All right. Now come to the last steps. Step 7, when you receive money, celebrate it, acknowledge it, encourage others who are manifesting money, because that is an important part of karmic farming. When you're encouraging others, you get encouraged yourself. Somebody else will encourage you when you need it. So this is important that you do it. And the important aspect here is take out some portion as a gratitude, donate it, do some charity out of this money, because you have got it through manifestation techniques. Universe has thrown it to you. So as a gratitude, some portion of it you can always give for charity. That encourages a value proposition that, okay, you're not really a greedy person and you doing it something other for others also. So that helps you in manifesting more money next time. All right, so follow these techniques and manifest a lot of happiness and value that comes out of money in your life. Thank you so much. See you in the next chapter.